Limit location tracking by your carrier on your iPhone with the new update in iOS 26.3. Right now, limited carriers support this new feature in the iOS 26.3 update on supported iPhone models configured with C1 and C1X modems, which are available in the iPhone 16e and iPhone Air. Ensure that your carrier supports this feature. At launch, Boost Mobile in the USA supports this feature. EE and BT in the UK offer it, as does Telekom in Germany and AIS and True in Thailand. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll to Cellular or Mobile Data. Tap on Mobile Data options and enable the Limit Precise Location toggle. That's it. Make sure to restart your device after turning the setting on or off. Please like to support me. Don't forget to subscribe for new video updates. And if you have any questions, comment below.